Sedgwick County Emergency Management has issued a local area emergency for the following counties/areas. Sedgwick, Kansas, at 10:06 a.m. on January 19, 2018, effective until 12:06 p.m. Message from SEDGOC. The Kansas Department of Health and Environment, KDHE, has issued a boil water advisory for the public water supply located in the city of Valley Center, in Sedgwick County. KDHE officials issued the advisory because of a line break resulting in a loss of pressure in the system. Failure to maintain adequate pressure may result in a loss of chlorine residuals and bacterial contamination. The advisory took effect on January 19, 2018 and will remain in effect until conditions which place the system at risk of contamination are deemed by KDHE officials to be adequately resolved. Customers should observe the following precautions until further notice. Boil water for 1 minute prior to drinking or food preparation, or use bottled water. Dispose of ice cubes and do not use ice from a household automatic ice maker. Disinfect dishes and other food contact surfaces by immersion for at least 1 minute in clean tap water that contains 1 teaspoon of unscented household bleach per gallon of water. Water used for bathing does not generally need to be boiled. Supervision of children is necessary while bathing so that water is not ingested. Persons with cuts or severe rashes may wish to consult their physicians. If your tap water appears dirty, flush the water lines by letting the water run until it clears.